Hello.
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 Yeah, hi Kunal, good morning.
Yeah, hi. Hello. The candidate is joining.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahul, Varsha is Kunal only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it Varsha?
Not
Um,
he's Kunal
no.
Maheshwari.
Yeah. Currently, sorry for that because I connect with my the desktop. That's why.
Okay, fine. Also, I thought it is like our team guy. So okay, fine.
No. Sorry. Yeah,
Okay, Kunal. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So okay. So what are you doing these days?
Yeah. Hello.
So what are you doing these days?
Currently, I'm doing a full stack development in Ascent Capital.
Okay. And what is the current project in which you are working on? The technologies which you are
Okay.
using?
Okay. Basically, Ascent Capital is a fintech-based company where I'm work as a software engineer, and I'm working on React.js. We use React.js for frontend, and we use Node.js for backend, and we use database like NoSQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL. And
Mhm.
project I implemented third-party libraries also like Cursa Verify, uh, Framework API, DigiLocker, or in this project app are also there. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this project app are also there, which gives the help of dealer to give the loan on site without that much of huge documents and debts.
Okay. So, okay, what if I just so if I give you a prototype, okay, on the Photoshop or you can say like Figma, so can you convert it into an HTML page?
Yeah.
Okay. So, so what is the minimum syntax required, okay, to create HTML page? Suppose
Yeah.
if you only write a hello, okay,
Okay.
on the page,
Hmm.
so what minimum steps required for that?
Okay. First of all, we use
Yeah.
hello. Wait, I plugged my earphone. Please, sorry for that.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, you are audible to me.
Okay.
Can,
Yeah,
can you switch
basically,
your
first
camera on?
hello.
Can you switch your camera on?
Yeah. Yeah, I on that.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, but I'm not able to see anything. Uh,
Uh,
I think there is a flap in your camera. You need to open that as well.
I think there is a problem in my webcam.
Okay, no issues, leave it.
Okay.
So what are the minimum steps required to run a HTML page?
Yeah, basically there is a four, basically the four step: head, HTML, after that paragraph, then HTML close, then head.
Okay. And in browser, in HTML page, if I only write hello, okay, and I don't use any HTML page, will that page will render?
Can you please come again?
So my question is, if in HTML page, I'm not using any HTML tags or
Okay.
head, body, head, title, H1 tag, and nothing I'm using. I'm simply writing hello, and I'm saving that file with the .html extension. Okay.
Yeah, it's right. It's right.
So why it run?
Yeah, yeah, it's the dot HTML, that why it's run.
No, so why it runs? If you are not following the syntax, and still we are able to run the run the code on the browser. So why?
Yeah, basically, yeah, your browser will add this tag at some other automatically or behave as if they are their browser have long preferred graceful falling over the refusing to serve that page. Yeah, that was a lot of HTML spec define how pages should fail. That's why.
And why we use doc type?
Yeah.
Why we use doc type in HTML?
Yeah, basically, yeah. Doc type are the mainly a document type declaration, also known as doc type, and is the first line of code required in every HTML or XHTML document. Oh yeah,
Okay.
remember the doc type declaration is an instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML page is written in, all that.
Okay. So if I don't specify the doc type in the page, what will happen?
Yeah, can you please come again?
So in the HTML page, if I don't specify the doc type, what will happen?
Okay, but basically don't show the what type of document is it and what type of that. Basically
Are
matlab,
you getting my
yeah,
question? My
okay,
question
yeah,
is, if
okay,
we I
yeah,
don't.
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, matlab yeah, in HTML document browser use a doc type in the beginning of the document to
Hmm.
decide whether to handle its matlab, QK modes or standard modes.
Mm-hmm.
Matlab, tell the browser that we are using HTML5. If document type is not mentioned, browser will go to the QK modes.
Okay.
QK, yeah, QK mode.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. I'm sharing one link to you. Just open that and share your screen.
Okay. Yeah, is my screen is visible?
No, you just need to share your screen. It's fine.
Okay. Is this visible?
Yeah, it's visible now. Yeah. So there's a problem statement. I have shared you one link. Just open that link
Oh, where you send that?
in the chat. Go to Zoom. Go to Zoom. At the bottom, go to Zoom.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah, actually. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, whenever I share a screen, that page was open. So
So I have shared you one link on the chat. Are you able to open it?
wait. No, actually, I have. Matlab, there is a disable in that button, so I haven't started that.
Please share your screen. I will guide you how to open.
Yeah, actually, whenever they, yeah, please wait. Yeah.
Put your name. Now select the checkbox. I have carefully read. There is a checkbox. You need to select that. Yeah. Now
Okay.
start.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write a program. Okay. For Fibonacci series. So you know Fibonacci series.
Yeah.
The sum of two number is the
Yeah.
next
Yeah.
number. Okay.
Yeah.
And you have to return it into a string. Okay.
Uh, yeah. Yeah. मतलब in return a series.
Return a series in the form of a string. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I start?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, in JavaScript, no?
So which is your preferred language?
Yeah, JavaScript.
Okay. फोन भाई 10 मिनट में आ रहा
What should I write in Java?
हूँ मेरे फोन में नंबर है
Can you yeah मतलब Fibonacci series is that ना कि whenever for example whenever मतलब I input the two number the output is one I think.
You don't need to input, you just need to pass. Basically there will be a function where you need to pass a value like 5 you will pass. So it will print
Your
5
voice is not
Fibonacci
coming.
series. So if you put 5, it will print 5 Fibonacci series number from the beginning. It's like 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's, do I write in JavaScript?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah, whenever I selected C, there is a not happening. That's why. So what should I do? Should I do in JavaScript or what?
Yeah, just select the JavaScript and start writing code.
Okay, no. Whenever I select on C, you tell me na कि you have C. Oh yeah. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait.
So while you're writing HTML, you just need to write a function.
Yeah. Okay. Only function. Yeah. फिर I should write HTML also.
No, not HTML.
Only function, no.
Only function you need to write.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Yes. Should I write in Java? Oh.
Why you are changing language again and again?
Yeah. Actually, okay. Yeah. I make the class.
So you are doing in Java.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you using in your project Java?
Hello.
Java are you using in your projects?
No, but I know Java. Yeah, if you want to write in JavaScript, I should write on JavaScript also.
Yeah, you can write in JavaScript. Na? This is a JavaScript interview. Na?
Okay, okay. Okay. In JavaScript. Const number asking terms. Next.
Kunal.
Yeah.
So the question is, you need to print the Fibonacci series. Okay.
Okay.
And in the question, we just need to pass the param like 5, 7, 8, 10. You don't need to ask the user to prompt.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
फोन किया उसको किया फोन What are you doing?
Yeah, I writing. मतलब in that okay. So we directly I मतलब directly I should okay, first of all I should write the so hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, basically तो with तो how okay okay hello
Question is clear to you or not? Or you need
not एक बार can you please come again.
Yeah. So the question is, you need to return the in the form of a string the Fibonacci series, and I will just pass the number of terms I want. So suppose if I print write in a function 5 as a parameter, so it will return me the 5 first uh, numbers of the Fibonacci series.
Okay, okay, whenever basically you print the 5 then it's okay.
Okay. If I print 8, it will return me the 8 sequence of Fibonacci series from the beginning.
Okay, yeah, okay. So should I write only the function Fibonacci series? Where from 1 equals to 0, and from 2 equals to 1, where from 4 plus term 2 to term 2 and 2 equals to sum. Return to the document. Yeah, yes, हो गया. Hello. Yeah, I'm done. Sorry.
Okay, no issues. So इसको run करिए program को.
Okay. So how should I run that program?
How you will run this program?
Yeah, completed the run time.
So what you are getting as output?
So that is the store in the, okay, please wait. Script.
Wait. Hello.
Okay, yeah.
You are already
Yes.
JavaScript page, so you don't need to write a script tag, na?
Okay. So yeah, but yeah, in that
How will you get the output of this program?
yeah, that is the function which I made, but yeah, I don't know how the run success also could, but how to show in that. That's why I use document or write and that.
Okay.
That's why I use a script.
No. Okay. In JavaScript file, have you used script tag?
Yeah.
If you have a file name with .js extension,
Okay.
do you need to use the script tag inside that file?
No.
So it is a JavaScript file, na? So why you are using that syntax here? What is JavaScript?
Yeah, basically JavaScript is a open source language and
It is a language or library?
library. Sorry, JavaScript is open programming language. language used both on the client side and server side that allow you to make a web page interactive.
Okay. So if I don't embedded the JavaScript syntax in the HTML, will the browser, will the HTML page will run? If I don't use write any, suppose there is a website and I don't use
Okay.
any JS file in it. So will that website,
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Without script. Yeah. It is.
will that work? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And without CSS also
Basic.
it will work.
Basically, if you want to add some functions and all, then we use JavaScript. If you only doing the uh, uh, UI designing, then it's
If you're not comfortable in English, you can speak in Hindi, no
yeah,
issue.
yeah. You can't run HTML. Yeah, basically, if you can't, yeah, you can't run HTML file without JavaScript. Without hello.
Yeah, yeah, tell me. Without or with?
Uh, you can't run HTML file with Node.js, or Node.js is a JavaScript environment for developing server-side application.
Okay.
HTML file are usually run by a web browser.
Okay. Okay. This is the array. Okay.
Okay.
And what output I want from this array?
Wait. Yeah, sorry. What,
This output I want. So the question is clear to you. So the question is basically we need to shift all the zeros at the end of the program. Okay.
I think that, right.
Okay, leave it the first thing. Just focus on the second question. You have an array of number and you need to put all the numbers, all the zeros at the end of the array. And remaining will be the, and remaining array will be in the same order, not in the ascending or descending order. Okay. Just write a code for that.
Okay. Wait, okay. Yeah. Okay. Remove all the zeros and you should write.
Not removing, you need to shift all the zeros at the end of the array.
Yeah, there
Question is
is
clear
a
to you or shall I repeat again?
no. Yeah. Push zero. Right. Uh, equals to I use for loop. I then I greater than and after that I plus plus. After that, I use defense statement for I, I not equals to 0. Then count plus 1. No, 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 I should plus 4. Yes. Here equals to arrow 5. Syntax error. Line number 33. File plus yeah. Oh, yes. Hello.
Yeah. So are you able to print this? Just clear the console at the top. Just check output the right side. There is a clear button above run code. Just check clear button. Yeah, clear it.
Okay. Run code.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
run code.
there is nothing coming as output. So can you do something so that it will print the output as well?
Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, so
So how you debug the application? Suppose there is some issue in your
okay.
code which you have written. Okay,
Mm. Console.
console. Okay, so you use console. Any other way to debug the application?
No, I use only console.
Okay, so you put
But
the
and yeah, we use endpoint also for debugger. That is yeah, breaking point.
breaking points. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you print it?
Okay. Now in that application, why we don't use script? Hello.
Yeah, because it's a JS file. So there is no use of adding a script tag. Script tag basically we use when
In
we want
H,
to put
yeah,
HTML
HTML. Yeah.
in HTML so that we can define the block of the JS part.
Uh,
If
okay.
this part is related to JavaScript, that's why we uh, put the closing bracket of the scripts.
Yeah.
So in here
Okay.
you're using class-based component or functional components.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
are
Okay.
working
Okay.
on there.
Okay. Oh, I cleared that. Yeah. Can I print that?
Yeah, print that.
Hello. Yeah.
Where you will add console.log.
Yeah. 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 Console.log. That's I right.
Ah,
Hello.
just add it. Yeah, just add console.log.
Yeah. Yeah. That's I right. Console.log. Okay. And here, here also I should write. Okay.
How to call a function in JavaScript?
Yeah. Oh, please keep it 2 minutes. I write there also console.log.
No, it's fine. How to call a function in JavaScript?
Yeah, basically, we call the function in JavaScript in two way. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, basically we call a method. The call a method. The call method is predefined in JavaScript method, or it can be used to JavaScript invoke call a method in a owner object, an argument parameter, then call that.
Okay. So you are using React in your project.
Yes,
So you are using class-based component or functional component?
both,
Sorry,
both.
both. Okay. So what is the life cycle of a state? Life cycle of a variable?
Can you please come again? State and what? What you say?
I'm asking that what are the different life cycle
Sir.
in class-based component of React.js? Can you tell me the steps?
Yeah, first is can you monitor and manipulate during the three main phases. First
Hmm.
is mounting, updating, and unmounting.
Okay.
This is the uh, state life cycle. In mounting, we use constructor,
Hmm.
get derived state for props, render, and component need mount.
Hmm.
Okay, and yeah,
So if a class-based component, we don't use constructor, will the program will run?
yeah, yeah, no, but I,
Huh?
yeah, hello.
Yeah. If I remove the constructor from the program, class-based program, will the program will run?
Uh, yeah, I think hello.
Yeah, tell me. I'm here. Don't say hello and hello again.
Okay. Yeah, it is necessary for to use constructor in React if you don't initialize state and you don't bind method and you don't need to implement a constructor for a React component. That's fine.
Okay. Okay, Kunal, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions? Hello.
No, no, no.
Okay then. Bye. Have a good day.